we say an ideology is every doctrine which tries to explain everything from one single idea and to have a key in its hand for the full clarification and illumination of everything there is. You know, that is finally the full development of ideology. The way Marx, you know, the term was first used in during this truth in France during Napoleon I. You know, he spoke of the ideologue, and then the thing slowly developed the word and the term, you know, and it was then used by Marx. Not Mannheim sharpened the use in which Marx used it, yeah, the way in which Marx used it, and then actually what it really was came to the fore only in the 30s, in the totalitarian regimes, where really ideology for the first time as such played a decisive role in the body politic. That is where it was not just used to justify this, that, or the other, you know. You could, for instance, kill the Duc d'Enghien, as Napoleon did, and then justify it or excuse it with reason of state. Yeah, that was one single item, you know. Whereas here, ideology goes through the whole body politic. This was never there before, in the sense of a national socialism or a communism. I don't mean that the National Socialism used anti-Semitism as its chief ideology. Now, anti-Semitism existed, of course, before it was used in its in this sense. So communism, socialism existed before Stalin used it. But only in this, when I talk about a fully developed ideology, I mean that it is in this way politicalized, so to speak. It is in the body politic. And this you have, for instance, to give just one more example. See, you had in Germany something very curious, and at first glance really very ridiculous. Every German, in order to say that he is a German, had to prove negatively that he was not a Jew. Now, imagine 70 million people against 500,000, yeah? And now everybody had to show his ancestors, yeah? There you have it, how ideology becomes an institution in totalitarian state. And only then do I speak of fully developed ideology.